Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Programming with Biswa. In this video session, we are going to see how can we create and delete index, how we are going to rebuild and reorganize the index and what is the difference between this. Okay, you can find this complete video tutorial in notes and programming SQL query inside my blog. I will give this my blog link and this chapter link in the video description below. This is the second class of SQL indexes. Those who already missed the first session, I will give this first session link in the I button on the right hand side top corner. Please check it out. So before starting this session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future notifications. If you ended up liking my video, gives me a like and share this video with your friend. Let's start. So how we can create an index, both clustered index and non-clustered index. These are the query I already given in my blog. You can check it out. So I'm going to the blog. Okay. Upon the SQL server. Here this is a table. This table contain 995 row. Okay. Here if you click on this one, include execution plan and again execute, you can see the execution plan. It is showing as table scan. Okay, so I am going to create the index. So the create index statement syntax is create index, index name on table name. Table name is this one, on column name. So in this table I have a registration number. I am giving here registration name. Before that guys, I want to show the difference. So here where I am taking one registration number, last one I am taking, you can see, run this one, you can see it is showing table scan. Okay, so here I am doing set static IO on. Now run this, you can see the messages. Logical read means it is hitting logical read, 8 logical read. So now I am going to create one index here, create index, index type, index name, session, the table name and on which column. So I'm going to create here, done, it's created successfully. Now I'm going to run this again. You can see logical read is 2, so the performance got higher. So you see the execution plan, it is seeking clustered index seek. Previously it is doing table scaling. Okay, next do, how can we delete the drop the index? Delete means how can we drop the index? Okay, this is my index name, drop index name on table name. So you can see command complete successfully. Again it run the command, select statement, you can see now table scan, message, logical read 8, performance get slow. Okay, next. Here you can build a clustered index and you can delete the clustered index. To create non-clustered index, you need to give the non-clustered index name. So I'm giving any name you can give, should be meaningful. In my this table I have different column, so I am giving name and email ID. Okay, so this non-clustered index, in my previous session I told you that we can create 999 non-clustered index inside a SQL table. So we can create multiple. So here I am doing. So you can see created. Again see this one. Here we are searching with registration number, but we didn't create any index on registration number. So again logical head is 8. Okay, so we can again delete this. Same command, deleting a clustered and non-clustered index, dropping the index, it takes same command, same syntaxes. Okay, so execute. You can see again it's deleted successfully. So here we get an idea how we can create a clustered index, how we can drop an index, how we can create non-clustered index using multiple column, how we can drop a non-clustered index. Let's see next. Rebuild and reorganize. So what is rebuild? Rebuild, what it do, it first drop the existing index and recreate it. Same thing. What we did now in SQL syntax, it will do the same thing. In case of reorganize, the process physically reorganize the leaf node. In my previous session, I showed you what is leaf node and non-leaf node. I will give the link in I button. You can check it out. So it's the reorganize the leaf node. So this is the syntax for doing rebuilding and reorganize. So let's see in practical session in SQL syntax. So here first I am creating one index created. Reorganize, first I am doing rebuild. Okay, here is the code are given in my blog, you can take it up. Okay, rebuild and table name, alter index all on table name rebuild. So it what it will do, it will rebuild all the index present in this table. Next, so it's done, right? Rebuild, same thing we can do reorganize. Rebuild, what rebuild do, it will create and drop and recreate the here. In reorganize, what it will do, it will just reorganize the leaf node. Okay, leaf node. So both are nearly same. So what is the difference? It is a important interview question, guys, so don't miss. Difference is index rebuild, drop existing index and recreate it. But reorganize, it is just reorganize the leaf node. But how we can follow that when we need to go reorganize and when we need to go rebuild? We need to check this. Index should be rebuilt when index fragmentation is greater than 40%. Okay. Index should be reorganized when index fragmentation is between 10 to 40%. When fragmentation is more than 40%, rebuild. Less than 10 to 40%, inside the 10 to 40%, reorganize. Index rebuilding process more CPU and it locks the database resource. So we need to seek for a downtime to our in a live server. We need to do some night time when there is no process is going on. If we are doing rebuilding or reorganize, it's a good practice. SQL Server development version and enterprise version has option online which can be turned on when index is rebuilt. Only for these two versions, development version and enterprise version. So index can be online while the rebuilding is going on. Online option will keep index available during rebuilding. So this is the feature of SQL Server development version and enterprise version. So guys, just remember this when you are facing an interview. So for today, this much. On our next session of SQL Server, I will show you maintenance plan. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.